Hi, in this video we will look at the following main character. In the last episode, I mentioned that thread is a common item, making it a useful symbol to convey many meanings. In this episode, we will continue to look at the character for thread and see more meanings derived from its uses. As a reminder, this is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts a bunch of thread tied together. This is how the character looks today. From here, let's add another character. The character on the right depicts a cutting board with many layers of meat on it. It means cutting board, but it also has the meaning of layers. Fabric is thread that is layered or weaved together in an organized way. This character means organize. It is used in this word, 组织, which means organization or organize. Let's see another character. The character on the right means select. To make silk, the thread is extracted from a silkworm cocoon by soaking them in boiling water. The time has to be estimated correctly, which takes a lot of practice. This character means practice. This character can also be interpreted to mean to make the thread softer and wider. This kind of refinement is the goal for any kind of practicing. It is used in this word, 练习, which means practice or exercise. Here's the next character. The character on the right might seem like the character for field, but the ancient character shows that it is a variation of this character, which depicts the soft spot in the middle of a baby's skull. This character means thin or delicate. It is used in this word, 细心, which means careful or attentive. On to the next character. The Chinese dyed thread or fabric to make different colors. The character on the right of the thread describes what the color is. In this case, the character on the right depicts a tool used for sacrificial offerings to imply the red blood. This character means red. Red is also believed to bring good fortune, so this character also means popularity. It is used in this word, 红茶, which literally means red tea, but in English it's black tea. Here's the last character. The character on the right means record. Specifically, the character is depicting the act of recording something on a tree by carving into it. In this character, the tree is implying the color of the green leaves. This character means green. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.